week, lumipad patungong Davao si Kapuso leading man Dingdong Dantes para mag-host ng Mutya ng Davao 2012. At sa casual interview portion ng pageant night, imbis na contestant ang kabahan, mukhang si Dingdong pa ang natameme sa sagot ng kandidatang si Yani May Te.
Okay, let's imagine a scenario. Unang question, name someone that we all know or someone that you know, mahala ka, your choice, that you would want to cook dinner for.
As you all know, my nickname is Yani and my real name is Marian, and I do hope that one day I have a ding dong to cook dinner for.
Hindi, meron lang akong tanong. Meron akong gumawa ng... Kadali lang ako please. Meron ako bang gumawa ng sinigang?
Wow! It's really meant to be. That's one of my favorites also.
I can't wait for the Yani version ng sinigang. What would be the perfect way to end that spectacular dinner?
For me, a perfect way to end a spectacular dinner is when you greet each other good night and just give that person a quick kiss on the cheek.
Something like this?
Oh my God! Grabe, sobra kong kakilig. Kasi it was my thought that it was the best way to end a spectacular dinner, but I never thought that he'd actually give me a kiss on the cheek. And, wow, sobra. Hanggang ngayon, hindi ako makapaniwala na nangyari po yun. It's like, hindi pa siya nagsisink in. I feel like it was just a dream. I was stunned. Definitely stunned and starstruck.
Para kay Yani, mistulang lucky charm ang naging engkwentro nila ng Kapuso leading man. Dahil sa bandang huli, siya ang itinanghal ng Mutya ng Davao 2012. At ang say ng Maria ng Mindanao kay Dong,
He's really handsome. And during the interview, when I got to talk to him, I can really say he's a very intelligent person. And definitely, ang daming babaeng titingala sa kanya na to have, kaya nga, like me, I'm a Marian na parang si Marian Rivera, na I hope to be like Marian Rivera, na may katulad ng dingdong sa buhay ko.